So this is a corner parity case in a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. See, when you have solved the 3 layers, made a cross on the top, matched the edges, and after that when you try to bring all the corner pieces at the right places, 2 of them are not coming at the right places. So I try U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. I've tried it 4 to 5 times, but 2 corner pieces, so see, these 2 are at the right places and these 2 are not on the right place. So this case is called corner OLL parity case. So how to solve this case? Keep those 2 unsolved corner pieces or 2 corner pieces which are not coming at the right place. Keep it in front of you and then do small r2 2 times r prime, then u2, then small r2, then 2 times r prime, then u2, it will be small u2, then again small r2 2 times and 2 times r prime. And then 2 times small u. After doing it 1 time, you will see all the 4 corner pieces now. So still they are not at the right place, but we can bring them at the right place now. So if I do U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. So these 2 have come on the right place. So we have to match the centers first. R, U, R prime, U, R, 2, U, R prime. R, U, R prime, U, R, 2, U, R prime. And then now try to bring all the corner pieces at the right place. I am able to bring all the corner pieces at the right place now. This one is at the right place, this one also at the right place. Now solve it using r prime d prime rd, r prime d prime rd, r prime d prime rd, r prime d prime rd. Just keep doing it just like you do in a 3x3. R prime d prime rd, r prime d prime rd,